Namaste, ma'am.
How are you all?
Ma'am,
How are you?
we are fine,
We are
ma'am.
fine, ma'am. And you?
Me too, also fine.
Studies.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to study OVT. Yeah, first unit, first lesson. How many of
Ma'am.
you have book?
Ma'am,
How
I am
many
not
of you
got
have
book.
book?
Ma'am, I am not got.
Ma'am, I have.
Okay. Who haven't?
Ma'am, I have.
Who don't have book?
Ma'am, I
I
have not
don't
got.
have book.
So
Ma'am,
on
I don't
this,
have book.
Ma'am, I also don't have book.
why didn't you
Ma'am,
buy?
I haven't also.
I also don't have.
Ma'am, I haven't done.
Why didn't you buy?
Ma'am, because we did not found in classroom, no. Go classroom.
Okay, buy the book. Buy the book. Okay. Books are available in the stationery near to your school. So please buy the book. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about profession and professional education. Okay. If you have book, you can also open first unit, first lesson, profession and professional education. Okay. Okay. What comes in your mind when you hear or when you see the word profession? What comes in your mind?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, when you hear, when you see the word profession, what comes in your mind?
Ma'am, a profession is a job which requires specialized knowledge, skill, and training to adopt it.
Okay, good. Okay, similarly, Awas Paudel,
Ma'am,
how have you understood about profession? What do you think? What is profession?
a profession is a job which needs a special talent or a special knowledge to do.
Any idea about profession? Okay, Alaika,
Yes, ma'am.
what is profession in your view?
Profession refers to type of job which needs special training, knowledge, and education.
Okay, good. Okay, Mukta, do you know differences between profession and occupation?
Yes, ma'am. Profession needs qualification, training, and higher education for adopting it, but occupation does not need any type of training and higher education for adopting it.
Yes, we can do any occupation without getting or without getting any education or the training. But to do profession, any kind of profession, we need special education, training, or skill. Yeah. So this is the difference between profession and occupation. Okay. Okay. Let's have a look on the slide. Okay, when you listen the word profession, okay, you might think about a doctor, a teacher, yeah, okay, yeah, nurse, etc. Yes, okay, farmer, okay, engineer, yeah. This types of vision may come in your mind when you think about or when you listen or see a word profession. Okay, Raz, can you read about the definition of profession?
Ma'am, from book.
Yeah, okay, from book or from the slide also. You can read.
Professor refers the types of the job that need special training and skill after gaining certain knowledge related to the particular sector.
Okay, good. So profession is a type of a job or the profession, yeah, profession that needs special knowledge, training, or skill. To do occupation, it is not necessary to get special education, training, or skill, but for doing any kind of profession, we need special education, training, or skill. Then only we can involve any kind of profession. Okay. Okay. Do you know how many types of profession are there? Do anybody have any idea? Do you know the types of profession? How many types of professions are there? Any guesses? No? Okay, let's have a look on the slide, okay? Okay, can you read on the slide, Prosumi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please read the types of profession.
Basic level profession. The profession that needs simple knowledge or skill to carry out. Assistant health workers, auxiliary nurse, midwife, etc.
Okay, mainly there are 3 types of profession, yeah? Basic level profession, medium level profession, and higher level profession. And here is a definition and some examples of basic level profession, yeah? The basic level profession are such kind of profession which need simple knowledge or general knowledge, skill, or training, yeah? After getting simple knowledge or training, or after gaining general skill, you can involve in any kind of basic profession, yeah? Here is an example of some basic profession of medical sector, like can you read? Assistant health workers, auxiliary nurse, midwife, etc. Yeah. Similarly, there is another type of profession. Second type of profession is medium level profession. Okay, so can you read about medium level profession?
Okay, ma'am. The profession that needs special knowledge, training, or skill to carry out is called medium level profession. Some examples of it are health assistants, staff nurse, etc.
So medium level professions are such kind of profession which need special knowledge, training, skill, yeah, to carry out or to hold on. And here are some examples of medium level profession. They are, okay, health assistants. Here should be health assistant, okay, not health assistants, staff nurse, etc. And the people who do medium level profession, they get more, they should have more knowledge, or they get more salary or the income than the people who involved in basic level profession. Okay, so to do medium level profession, we need special training or skill or the knowledge, then only we can involve in this type of profession. Okay, similarly another type of profession is higher level profession. Diksha, can you read about higher level profession?
Yes, ma'am. The profession that needs higher level knowledge, training, or skill is called higher level profession. Some examples are doctor, surgeon, etc.
Yeah. So the profession, the higher level profession are such type of profession which need higher education, knowledge, training, or skill. Okay, the examples are doctor, surgeon. These examples are from the medical sector. Yeah, the people who involve in higher level medical sector, they must have a higher level knowledge or higher level education, training, or skill. Then only they can involve in this type of profession. Okay, are you understanding? Well, just getting the basic knowledge about types of profession, we are also going to study detailedly about the types of profession in the second lesson. Okay, second lesson of unit 1. Okay, we'll get more information, we'll have more discussion about types of profession in our next lesson also. Just this is a basic knowledge for us. Okay, just now we talked about profession. Yeah, now let's have a discussion about professional education. What do you think? What is professional education? Do you have any idea what is professional education? Okay, Mukta, do you have any idea about the professional education? What kind of education,
Yes,
or
ma'am.
what type of education are considered professional education? Okay, Mukta, let me take your idea.
The education which are needed to adopt any kind of profession are known as professional education.
Okay, yes, that's true. Okay, similarly, do anybody want to share your view about the professional education? Any ideas? No? Okay, professional education, yeah, to do any kind of profession, we need skill or knowledge or training, yeah. So professional education is the knowledge, the training, or the skill from which we can get any kind of profession. Yeah, for involving any kind of profession, we need the knowledge, skill, or the training. So such type of knowledge, skill, training are considered professional education. Okay, Olaika, can you read about professional education?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, from book or slide?
Okay, from slide. Please read from the slide. Okay, professional education.
Professional education, the knowledge, training, or skill that prepare professional manpower is known as professional education.
Okay, so I have already discussed, or we have already discussed about the education or the training or the skill or the technology from which any the poor people can involve in profession, any kind of profession, are known as professional education. Yeah, the training, knowledge, or the skill which are necessary to involve any kind of profession are known as professional education. Yeah. Okay, what do you think? What are the relationships between profession and professional education? Why professional education are necessary or is necessary for involving any kind of profession? What do you think? Any ideas? What is the relationship between profession and professional education? Why should we get special training, knowledge, or the technology? Why should we learn the technology for doing any kind of profession? Why is it necessary? Okay, Rosan, do you have any idea why profession? What is the relationship between profession and professional education?
Profession can be only gained after getting a higher level education. So professional education creates professional manpower. So in order to do a profession, we must.
Okay, thank you, Rosan. Yeah, that's true, Rosan. Yes, to do any kind of profession, we need professional education. Yeah, without professional education, the people cannot involve any kind of profession. Yeah. Yes, they only can do occupation but not profession, because to do any kind of profession, we need professional education. Yeah, or the training, or the.
Ma'am, we need to write this.
Okay, on this we'll read about the relationship between profession and professional education. Okay, on this, can you read the first point?
For quality human resources, personal education is necessary, ma'am.
To produce quality manpower, yeah, qualified manpower, we need professional education. Yes. Is it possible without professional education to produce qualified human resources? Obviously not. Yeah. If you want to be a doctor, if you want to be an engineer, you must have knowledge, skill, or training about this kind of profession. Yeah. Without getting the special training, knowledge, or skill, you can involve in such type of profession. Okay. Similarly, okay, can you read, Prastuni, can you read point number 2?
To bring modernization in professional education is necessary.
Yes, for bringing modernization in profession, we need professional education. Yeah, anyone can involve in farming. Yeah, but the people who get special knowledge, training, or education about the farming, they can produce the crops or any kind of goods in a modern way. Yes, and so that they can get more and more profit. So for bringing modernization in profession, professional education is necessary. Okay. Okay, Suman.
आज म तेरो केही प्रोजेक्टमा हेल्प गर्दिन
If you don't have to speak, then please mute yourself. You are disturbing the class. Please mute yourself if you don't have to talk to the teacher, okay? And please make sure your background noise don't disturb the class. Okay?
Okay, Suman, can you read point number 3?
3.
Yeah, okay.
I'm not seeing.
I'm showing. Okay. Suman.
For the development of country by utilizing utilizing professional manpower, professional education is necessary.
Okay, yes. For the development of the country by utilizing professional manpower, manpower, yeah. The qualified people, yes. Is it possible without qualified people? Is it possible to develop the country?
No, ma'am.
No, yeah. So if we want to develop our country like other developed countries around the world, we must get professional education so that we can involve in the developmental work from different sectors. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Just a minute.
Can you please explain about professional education again?
Professional education. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Professional.
Internet was gone, no?
Okay, okay, sure, why not? Professional education is the training, okay? The education, knowledge, or the training skill from which we can involve any kind of profession. Okay, the skill, knowledge, or training are considered professional education. Okay, understood or not? Yes, the education, training, or the technology from which by learning or by getting such kind of knowledge, if we can involve any kind of profession, such kind of profession is known as professional education. Such kind of knowledge is known as professional education. Okay. Okay, can you turn, if you have book, can you turn on the next page? Next page, where there is written necessity and importance of professional education. Okay, why do you think why professional education are necessary? Is necessary? Okay, Shreya Gelal, do you have any idea?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shreya, do you have any idea why professional education is necessary?
Professional education is necessary because it gives us knowledge, skills about different professions.
Okay, thank you. Very good. Okay, similarly, Josna.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you share another point why professional education is necessary?
Professional education makes professional more productive.
More productive. Okay, thank you, Josna. Good. Okay, Rivas Shrestha. Rivas.
Yes, ma'am.
Rivas, do you have any idea why professional education is necessary?
Professional education is necessary to be professional in any work.
Okay, very good. Yes, to be professional or to do any kind of profession, any kind of job to perfectly. Professional. Okay. Similarly, Sujin. Okay, Susant. Okay, Ritu Ranavat. Okay, Avas Moharjan. Okay, can you share any point or any ideas about the necessity of professional education?
It provides knowledge, skill, and training according to the demand of time. It helps us to. It gives us knowledge, etc.
It's very difficult to understand your voice. Okay, it's okay. So, professional, here are some points about the necessity or the importance of professional education. Okay, number one. Okay, if you have book, you can read from there. Professional education prepare knowledgeable, trained, or expert human being. Yes. Okay. We need professional education, or in this modern time, professional education is very necessary because it prepares knowledgeable, trained, or the perfect human being. Yes. If you want to be if you want to involve any kind of profession, then if you get the professional education, you can be perfect the field in which you wanted to. Okay. Similarly, second one is professional education makes professionals more productive. It means they can get more and more benefits. People who get professional education, knowledge, or the training, they can be productive, or they can they can produce more and more things, the profession which they are involving in, and they can get much benefit. Okay, similarly, next one is it helps generate good income. Yes, obviously, if you get professional education, yes, you can have you can be expertise, or you can be qualified. Because of that, your income also will be very good. So professional education is necessary because it helps to generate good income. Okay, next one is it helps establish and operate occupation and business of also assist the and to create employment. Yeah, if you get professional education or the knowledge, then you can also create your own business, and you can also give the employment to other people. Yeah, when we get professional education or training or the knowledge, then we can open our own business so that other people also can get employment. Okay, next one is it provides knowledge, skill and training according to the demand of the time. Yeah, it gives knowledge, training or the skill according to the time. Okay, similarly, it helps to commercialize. Have you understood this sentence? It helps commercialize acquired knowledge, skill and expertise. It means when you get professional education or when you involve in any kind of when you get professional education, then it helps to do any kind of occupation or the profession in for getting more and more profit. Understanding or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are all about profession and professional education. Okay, okay, now let me ask you how much you have understood. Okay, Eric, are you listening to me, Eric? Okay, Chirayu.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Chirayu, can you define profession?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is profession?
Profession is a job which requires training and skill.
Okay, profession is the job which need required or the special education or knowledge, skill or training. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Okay, Raz.
Ma'am.
Raz, what is the difference between profession and occupation?
Ma'am, in profession, we need special trainings. We have to read more, but in occupation, we don't have to do any training. We just have to do simple training and we don't have to read more.
In occupation, we do not need special knowledge or the training, yeah. But if we want to involve any kind of profession, we need special knowledge, training, or the skill. Okay, thank you, Raz. Okay, Anjes.
Yes, ma'am.
Anjes, have you remembered the types of the profession? How many
Yes,
types
ma'am.
of profession are there, Anjes?
Basic level profession, medium level professional, and high level profession.
Mainly, there are 3 types of profession, yeah? They are?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, basic level profession, medium level profession, and higher level profession. Okay, Arya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you define what kind of professions are known as basic level profession?
The profession that needs simple knowledge or skill to carry it out.
Okay, thank you. Very good. Yes, the profession, the first type of profession in which we do not need higher level education, training, or skill. Only if we have general knowledge or the skill, we can involve in basic level profession. Yeah. Okay, Suman, can you say some examples of basic level profession of medical sector? Can you remember? Can you, Suman? Okay, if you don't know, you can read from the slides. Here are some examples of basic level profession of medical sector. Can you read again, Suman? Okay, it's okay. Sakchen. Sakchen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you say some examples of basic level profession
Professor.
of medical sector? Okay, can you say some examples of basic level profession?
Works. Ocean.
Okay, some of the examples of basic level profession of medical sectors are auxiliary nurse, midwife, etc. You can also give the examples of basic level profession like farming, yeah, farming, plumbing, and similarly there are other many more basic level profession, yeah, in which people do not need special knowledge or training to involve in. Okay. Similarly, Swarnim Shrestha. Swarnim.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, where are you, Swarnim? When I was calling, why didn't you speak? Swarnim.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Swarnim, can you define the medium level profession?
Ma'am, you can repeat your question.
I'm not hearing your voice properly, Swarnim.
Can you repeat once again, ma'am?
Okay, can you define medium level profession, which we had discussed before some minutes? What kind of profession are known as medium level profession?
The profession which we don't have to read so much that are called medium level profession.
Okay, the profession which need special training, knowledge, or the skill to carry on are known as medium level profession. Okay, Ritu. Okay, Pallav.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you know some examples of medium level profession? Pallav, what happened? Okay, Rahul will define a medium level profession with examples.
Those professions which need special knowledge, skill, and training is called medium level profession. Example, with nurse.
Some examples of medical sector, medium level profession of medical sector. Can you say some? Okay, if you don't know, you can see and say